Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. We do have some events on the economic calendar, but really nothing worth watching for me. It's PMI data. So we have it on the pound, the euro, and the dollar. But as I discussed yesterday, if it's not jobs or production, then I don't think it's relevant. Anything inflation related for me means it's because there's a wait and watch policy on the inflation rate. I don't think the actual data will affect the greenback today. We had good results yesterday coming through. Jobless claims better than expected, as you can see, and the previous amended as well. So that pushed the dollar up significantly, and for me that means that these preliminary PMI reports won't really affect it at all. Might see it on the pound potentially or on the euro, but not on the greenback. The greenback is primarily focused on stimulus talks still, and then the third presidential debate that's coming up. Trump needs to prove that he can fight COVID, and I don't think. Well, he might have a rabbit up his sleeve. I don't know, or in a hat, pull a rabbit from a hat, or have an ace up his sleeve. But we'll see. I mean, he could shock the market, and that could be a volatile move if he manages it. I don't think he will though. Indices, I mean, we've got this and this slightly up, so the Russell and the S&P slightly up, but everything else is pretty neutral for me. So really not worth watching at this point. So sentiment is pretty neutral across the board. For me, I don't know. I haven't spotted any specific opportunity. So I'm a little skeptical about whether I'll find some volume today. So let's turn to the chart and see. I got gold wrong yesterday, as you know. Had it completely wrong yesterday. So obviously, I still managed to make some money. Still managed to profit from it because you have your stop levels in place. So if it goes against you, you are protected, and then you can continue to move to the downside. So I had watched confirm it and protected myself as you're supposed to do. And then when you get it wrong, it's fine. It happens. So on gold, what I think will happen now is we'll see it extend the current triangle, this triangle, to a bigger triangle as it ranges between these two levels, or potentially these two levels. It's going to start ranging there until the end of the presidential election. I think gold is going to go sideways now. It's broken both sides of the initial triangle, which indicates it's going to start ranging. So for me, I keep an eye on it. It might still do a plummet. If Trump wins, the greenback's going to get a lot stronger, and gold's going to go short. So I don't know. I would definitely keep an eye on it, but I expect it to start ranging. So I'll take these out because obviously they're wrong. Oh no, not that. There we go. They're obviously not accurate anymore. Yesterday's move confirmed that. So it's going to start ranging sideways. You could definitely just look to trade it, buy there, sell there, etc., etc. Take profit in the middle or wherever you want. I don't care. Still have some trades open on euro pound. We opened it at this break yesterday. It went a bit and then just came back. And obviously my stop loss was down there at the time. And a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So take profit was up there. Or somewhere, I can't remember. I think it was up there. But then it came back, and because it respected this little channel, I'm still letting it do what it wants to do. It might still come out. So I've moved my take profit there. My stop loss is a lot tighter. Still a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio or better. So we'll see if it goes there or if it just stays there. I might potentially just close it out here. But yeah, the Euro Yen one worked out. Opened, I think we opened there, had a nice drawdown. Stop loss was there. Had a nice drawdown, but it ended up taking profit. So I'm not sure if this was 2-to-1 ratio. So from there to there, 316. From there to there, no, it wasn't even a better than 2-to-1 ratio. But it didn't give us the volume we expected, so I closed it out early. Anyway, so let's turn to everything else. I'm going to leave this a little bit, but if it doesn't start getting direction soon, I'll just close it out now, even if it is a slight loss. Gold, like I said, you could range trade that. AUDCAD is ranging at the moment. Wait for the breakout. This was ranging. Trending within the channel. This one is ranging. It had a fake out and it's still ranging. This one's trending down, trending up. On this one, honestly, I don't know. It looks like it's coming down, but it's respecting these. It's creating these V's. Now, it could just continue to plummet down from there, but I wanna see it break this level. Then I'll go short. I created an imaginary level, so take an equidistance channel, combine that point and that point, extend it to there, and then you'll see this level form. And if it breaks that, or you could just combine these 2 points, I guess. If it breaks that, then go short. Euro Swissy, that's ranging sideways. Euro Yen, I've just discussed that. I'm taking profit. You could do a breakout box again, but I don't expect much volume today. Euro dollar, that's coming down. Pound dollar, that's coming down. Kiwi dollar, ranging sideways or consolidating sideways. Dollar CAD, sideways. Swissy, this looks like it's going to go up, but I would rather keep an eye on it for a potential break to the downside. And same thing here, keep an eye for the break to the downside. This flag pattern is a continuation pattern, historically, so I expect this to come down. So keep an eye on the short side, don't just go long. And then the Dixie, I don't know what it's doing because it's at a key level. That key level, from there it could go either way, so I can't predict this. And then Brent is at a key level as well, that you can go back and follow that level. But it's at a key level, so I honestly don't know what it's doing either. So I'll just stay out of it. So basically, all in all, today I'm not going to trade. I don't see any definite opportunities. I could potentially long this to there, with tight stop loss down there. But that's really the only trade I'd be willing to risk at the moment. As for everything else, I'm not really confident in any of it, except potentially these two. For the break to the short side, especially this one, I could potentially see this break to the short side. But it looks like it's respecting the channel, so we'll keep an eye on that, and not just blindly into the trade. But yeah, everything else for me is pretty neutral. I don't see opportunities. This is the only one I see, so I think I'm gonna just take a me day and not trade any of it today. Sometimes a good break, a long weekend, that's never a bad thing. So yeah, this is the only opportunity I see today. But keep an eye on news, Brexit, stimulus talks, and whatever happens with Trump and the debate. That could definitely give you some volume. As for me, I'm taking a me day. Anyway, hope this helps. It's a bit of a short video today. Hope it helps. Good luck and enjoy.